Welcome to Quiz on the Road. Today, get ready to test your knowledge with 30 fun and challenging questions on sports. Let's get started. Which sport is known as the beautiful game? Is it basketball, football, cricket, or tennis? The beautiful game is football, as in soccer. Which country has won the most Olympic gold medals of all time? Is it Russia, China, United States, or Germany? The answer is United States. In tennis, what is the term for a score of 0? Is it love, null, blank, or ace? The answer is love. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? Is it Brazil, Germany, Italy, or Argentina? It's Brazil with 5 titles. What is Usain Bolt's world record time for the 100-meter dash? Is it 9.58 seconds, 9.63 seconds, 9.72 seconds, or 9.81 seconds? It is 9.58 seconds. Who was the first woman to win an Olympic gold medal in tennis? Is it Serena Williams, Charlotte Cooper, Billie Jean King, or Margaret Court? It's Charlotte Cooper in the year 1900. Which country hosted the first FIFA World Cup in 1930? Is it Brazil, Italy, Uruguay, or France? The answer is Uruguay. In golf, what is the term for completing a hole-in-one stroke under par? Birdie, eagle, bogey, or albatross? It's a birdie. In a rugby union, how many players are on the field per team? Is it 11, 13, 15, or 17? There are 15 players per team. Which boxer was known as the greatest and won Olympic gold in 1960? Is it Mike Tyson, Muhammad Ali, George Foreman, or Joe Frazier? It is Muhammad Ali. In Formula One, who holds the record for the most world championships? Is it Michael Schumacher, Lewis Hamilton, Ayrton Senna, or Sebastian Vettel? It's Lewis Hamilton as of 2025. What is the name of the line in badminton that marks the back boundary? Is it service line, baseline, net line, or sideline? It's the baseline. How long is a standard boxing round in professional fights? Is it 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes? It is 3 minutes per standard boxing round. Who won the FIFA Ballon d'Ors, a record 8 times as of 2025? Is it Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Neymar, or Kylian Mbappe? The answer is Lionel Messi. Which tennis player has won the most Grand Slam singles titles male? Is it Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, Novak Djokovic, or Pete Sampras? It's Novak Djokovic, 24 titles as of 2025. We are now at the halfway mark. Have you hit the subscribe button yet? In cycling, what is the name of the prestigious annual race held in France? Is it Giro d'Italia, Tour de France, Vuelta a España, or Paris-Roubaix? Tour de France. How many pieces does each player start with in a game of chess, a competitive sport? Is it 12, 14, 16 or 18? The answer is 16. In swimming, how long is an Olympic pool? Is it 25 meters, 50 meters, 75 meters or 100 meters? The answer is 50 meters. Which country won the first Cricket World Cup in 1975? Is it Australia, India, West Indies or England? The answer is West Indies. In which sport might you perform a grand jet? Figure skating, synchronized swimming, gymnastics or diving? The answer is gymnastics, but it is also possible in figure skating. What is the name of the trophy awarded to the NHL champion? Is it the Stanley Cup, Calder Trophy, Hart Trophy or Vince Lombardi Trophy? It's the Stanley Cup. In archery, how many points is the bull's eye worth in a standard target? Is it 5, 7, 9 or 10? It's 10 points. Which city hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? Is it Tokyo, Paris, Los Angeles or London? It was held in Paris. In field hockey, how many players from each team are on the field at once? Is it 9, 10, 11 or 12? The answer is 11. In which year did the Boston Marathon finally allow women to officially compete? Is it 1965, 1967, 1972 or 1980? The answer is 1972. Which athlete is known for winning 8 gold medals at the 2008 Beijing Olympics? Is it Michael Phelps, Usain Bolt, Mark Spitz or Katie Ledecky? It's Michael Phelps. In which sport is the term hole-in-one most commonly used? Is it golf, tennis, bowling or archery? The answer is golf. What is the maximum weight allowed for a bowling ball in professional 10-pin bowling? Is it 12 pounds, 14 pounds, 16 pounds or 18 pounds? The answer is 16 pounds. Which sport features a scrum? Is it soccer, rugby, American football or lacrosse? The answer is rugby. And the final question, in wrestling, what is the term for pinning an opponent's shoulder to the mat? Is it a tap out? Is it a fall? Is it a submission? Or is it a knockout? It's called a fall. And that's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments or challenge a friend to beat your score. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for playing.